Alright guys, today we're going to be creating a book cover design. Just a book cover design with our smartphone using our Pixellab. Okay, let me head straight to our Pixellab. Okay, first we're going to determine our size. For us to determine our size, we have to click on this. After clicking on that, click on image size. So I'm going to be using 1500 by 2000. Okay, this is good. Okay, next, go to import something in form of a background we are going to use. For us to do that, just click on this plus icon, click on it, click from gallery. Okay, that's what we're going to use. So adjust it a little bit. Also going to bring in something else from my gallery. We're going to use also the image we're going to use. This is it. Just a book cover design. Simple one at that. Okay, this is good. Click on the plus icon, click on shapes. Okay, so click on gradient, click on gradient. Just click on any of this here. Just click on any of this. Okay, click on the plus icon. Okay, let me show you guys how I did it. Okay, so we'll click on this plus icon. After clicking on that, click from gallery. Okay, well, let me just do it so you guys will see it. So for us, just click on the plus icon. I'll click on the plus icon, click on shapes. I'll click on shapes, click on gradient. I'll click on gradient, click on any of these. I'll click on that. I'll clicking on that. Click on this plus icon. Start clicking on that. Click on this. Change the color to yellow. Yes. Then you click on the corresponding one. Click on this also. Change the color to yellow. Good. Let's see. Increase the size. Okay. Just adjust it. Make it look good. Okay. We have to lock this so that it won't be moving. For us to lock this, let me show you guys. Click on this. Start clicking on that. Click on this lock icon. We have to lock everything. Okay, then to include our text. To include our text, just first include our text. Click on this plus icon. Start clicking on it. Click on text. Okay. Write Eden, capital letter, question mark. To change the font to something more, captivating. I think this should be okay. Increase the size. Increase the size, yeah. This is good. This is good. Okay. We're also going to have to change the color to black. Let's give it a black color. Yeah, this is good. Then we also have to bring in another text. Who is capital letter. So I have to give this a black color also. We have to go to line spacing. Go to spacing. So increase it a little bit. Right. This is good. This is good. So we have to lock this. So lock this also. Okay. Click on the plus icon also. Click on shapes. Give it a black color. Go to gradient. Just click on any of these. Click on the plus icon. So give it a black color. Okay. This is good. Alright. Just use it a little bit. Okay, you have to go to shadow. Give this a shadow. Okay, good. To reduce this a little bit and increase this a little bit. This is it. This is it. Okay. So we need to increase this. Alright. After increasing. Okay. Alright. This is good. This is good. Okay. Also have to include another text also. The legendary and heroic story of Ethan the undisputed. Give it a yellow color. So I have to change the font of this also. You see, no, I don't think that's good. Just change the font to something more catching. don't think that will be okay. Okay, this is good. Go to our alignment. Align. Just click on the center one. We'll adjust it ourselves. We'll just adjust it ourselves. Okay, good. Think we are done with this. Then also have to lock both of them also. Then we have to include another text. That's right. The sale of Eden. So we have to change the font also. I think this is okay. I think this is good. I think this is good. Change the color. This color is good. Then finally, we are going to have to include another text also. The author's name. Let's include author's name. Make sure everything is aligning in the same direction. Give it yellow color. I think this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Alright, guys. Finally, we are able to come up with a book cover design. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Ima Brian. So for us to save this video, we just have to click on this save icon. After clicking on it, click on save as image. After clicking on save as image, we'll click on this. After clicking on that, tap on png. After that, click on this. After clicking on that, click on ultra. Then you save your image as ultra. To save it to the highest quality.